Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new Microsoft account, 2024. First of all, open any browser. Then go to the search bar and type account.microsoft.com. Once it opens, click on Sign In. After that, a new window will open. Here, we will click on Create. Next, enter your unique ID. After that, click on Next. Then, enter your unique password and click on Next again. A new window will open. Solve the problem presented. And then a new window will open. Now, your new Microsoft account has been created. That was the way to create a new Microsoft account, 2024. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.